Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see who shared your post on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead and access your particular Instagram app. Then from the section, go ahead, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then let's go ahead, you go to a particular post that has been shared. So once you go into the post that has been shared, what you need to do is you need to go ahead, tap on this three dot icon on top. Then you should be able to find this view story reshare. Then you will be able to tap on it and you can check out the story that has been shared. But the problem is that only works with the story shares. When the story has been shared, you will get notification. It only works out for 24 hours. Otherwise, when your story or reel has been shared, you will not find a settings to go directly to check it out who, because Instagram does not show you exactly who sends your post in direct message, but it will not enclose a name or an account. Unfortunately, that is not possible on Instagram. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.